Proceeding further, we come to the first concept which we'll study in 12th standard, and it is conditional probability. Now, see, as the word suggests, conditional probability means probability with some given condition. Okay, probability but with some given condition. Okay, so what may be the condition? For this, consider a simple example. Suppose a coin is tossed two times. Okay, a coin is tossed two times. So, what will be S? S will be tail, 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 head, head, tail, head, head. Okay. Now you are having event E. Suppose event E is getting at least one head, getting at least one head. So this is T H H T H H. Okay. And suppose event F is first coin show tail. So what will be F? F will be TH and TT. You get this. Okay. Clear? Now we provide a condition here. अब तक कोई condition provide नहीं थी. एक कॉइन दो बार टॉस किया गया है. E है getting at least one head. F है getting the first coin shows the tail. Now suppose we induce a condition. We induce a condition on event E suppose. And the condition induced on event E is event F. Okay, means event E के लिए हम ये कह रहे हैं that at least one coin shows head given that event F. Means at least one coin shows head given that first coin shows tail. तो ये जो वर्ड आ गया इसके आगे given that first coin shows tail. Okay, given that first coin shows tail. ये जो केस आ गया, ओके, इसे कहा जाता है कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, इसे कहा जाता है कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. अब जब हम इस पॉइंट से मूव करेंगे, जब हम इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मूव करेंगे, दैट event E given that event F. Event E means getting at least one head, getting at least one head given that first coin shows tail. तो हमारे पास पॉसिबिलिटी क्या रहेगी? हमारे पास पॉसिबिलिटी रहेगी ये TH, और कोई पॉसिबिलिटी है ही नहीं. TH means at least one coin is showing head according to event E. But the condition is that we want event F also. Event F is first coin shows tail. So we have this. Okay. Now actually हमारे पास सिर्फ ये एक ही इवेंट है, सॉरी ये एक ही एलिमेंट है, और ये जो एलिमेंट है विच इज सेटिस्फाइंग द कंडीशन ऑन ई, ये जो एक एलिमेंट है, ये एलिमेंट इन दोनों सेट का आप देख सकते हो, इट इज द इंटरसेक्शन. मींस दिस इज नथिंग बट ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ. दिस इज नथिंग बट ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ. ओके, क्लियर? दिस इज क्लियरली ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ. अगेन ये जो इवेंट है, ओके, ये जो इवेंट हमने लिया कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी वाला इवेंट, ओके, इसके लिए जो इवेंट ई है इसके ऊपर कंडीशन एफ का इंड्यूस किया जा रहा है. सो एफ इज गवर्निंग इट. एफ क्या कर रहा है? गवर्न कर रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने जो सैंपल पॉइंट लिया वो इस बात को ध्यान में रख के लिया हुआ है दैट फर्स्ट कॉइन इज शोइंग टेल. इन शॉर्ट इवेंट एफ जो है वो इवेंट ई के लिए बन गया sample space. Event F, it will turn out to be sample space of event E. इस पॉइंट से कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी जो आएगी इसे डिनोट किया जाएगा P E by F से, और ये आएगा, इसमें नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स 1 है और F के टोटल आउटकम्स 2 है. ओके, दिस मींस इट विल बी नंबर ऑफ सैंपल पॉइंट्स इन E intersection F upon NF. This is conditional probability. Means when a condition is induced on the event, then we get a conditional probability. In that case, जिस event का condition लगाया गया है, that event will turn out to be the sample space for the event for which we are finding the conditional probability. जिस event का हम conditional probability find कर रहे हैं, उस event के लिए ये event जो condition apply कर रहा है, Okay, that will turn out to be the sample space. For this event D, F will turn out to be the sample space. This is the concept of conditional probability. Okay. Now, what is conditional probability? The probability of event E is called conditional probability of E, given that F has already occurred and is denoted by this notation. Probability of E by F. Notation बहुत simple है. Probability E by F. Okay. Probability E by F. इसे read करने के लिए मैं probability of E by F, and it is denoted by probability of E by F. It is equal to number of common elements in E and F upon number of elements of F. Number of E by F upon number of elements of F, and this is again you can add as probability of E by F upon probability of F. This is the concept of conditional probability. Further, there are properties of conditional probability. The first one is probability of S by F, it will be 1, means conditional probability of sample space. Conditional probability of sample space, it will be 1. Second, addition rule will work as it is. Conditional probability of A union B by F. Conditional probability of A union B by F, it is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. बिल्कुल वैसा ही वर्किंग है जैसे हमने P of A union B देखा था. P of A union B, it is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And the same will work for complement also. Probability of E dash by F plus probability of E by F, this will be equal to 1. जब हमने complement का देखा था, means probability of S 1 होता है तो probability of S by 1, S by F भी 1 आएगा. Probability of A union B, it is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Same is for conditional probability. And probability of A complement plus probability of E, it is 1. Same is for conditional probability. Okay, this is the concept of conditional probability. Okay, please note it down.